Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the screen dimming issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, you will see Adaptive Brightness is here. If you want to fix this problem, so turn off adaptive brightness button. After turn off adaptive brightness button, and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on light mode. After convert to light mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon and click on restart. After click on restart, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on reset. After click on reset and click on reset accessibility settings. Reset setting, enter your phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix the screen dimming issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.